Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a snack that's off the corn charts. Say hello to the Papad Bhel Cone. First, I am preparing the bhel. For this, I am dry roasting the puff rice with some salt, turmeric, chili powder until it turns crunchy. Add this in a bowl. Add chopped cucumber, radish, red and yellow bell pepper, onion, tomatoes along with salt and chili flakes. Adding salted chana, toss it. Add in green chutney, toss it evenly. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now let's prepare our papad cone. I am using masala papad. Cut the papad in half. Roast it on tawa, pressing gently. And shape it in a cone quickly. Here I shaped all my papads. Now let's get our snacks on. Fill the cone with the bhel mixture. You can add extra green chutney to enhance its flavor, or you can experiment with different chutneys for unique flavor. And that's it. A delicious papad bhel cone that's perfect for munching on the go. Try it out and let me know what you think. Bye.